The BMW Xm isn't just another SUV, it's a rebellion on wheels. As the first standalone M model since the legendary M1 supercar, the Xm was built to be bold, loud, and unapologetically different. For 2026, BMW has refined this plug-in hybrid titan to be even more surgical in its performance while retaining that love-it or hate-it design that stops traffic. Today, we're finding out if the 2026 BMW Xm is truly the ultimate driving machine for the modern age, or if it's simply too much for the purists. Let's dive in. Look at this thing. The 2026 Xm features a silhouette that looks like it was carved with a combat knife. The massive, illuminated kidney grills are flanked by split-LED headlights that give it an aggressive, predatory stare. The label red accents on our test model today add that extra layer of menace along the side. The gold trim strip pays homage to the original M1, while the massive 23-inch M-Lite alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly. At the rear, you'll find the unique vertically stacked quad exhaust tips and the laser-etched BMW logos on the rear glass, a subtle nod to the M division's heritage. It's a polarizing design, but one thing is for sure, you will never be ignored in a BMW Xm. If the outside is a riot, the inside is a sanctuary. BMW calls this the M Lounge. The rear seats are draped in quilted vintage coffee leather that flows into the door panels, creating a wraparound sofa feel. But the star of the show is the headliner, a 3D prismatic structure illuminated by 100 LED discs that creates a light show unlike anything else in the industry. Up front, the driver gets the latest BMW curved display with a Drive 9.5. Featuring M-specific graphics and a crystal-clear head-up display. Carbon fiber is everywhere, and the M multi-function seats provide the perfect balance of track-ready support and long-distance comfort. It's a space that feels hand-built, expensive, and incredibly futuristic. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. The 2026 Xm is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a high-performance electric motor. In the label trim, this produces a staggering 738 horsepower and 737 pounds-ft of torque, despite weighing over 6,000 pounds. This SUV rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.7 seconds. But it's not just a straight-line hero. With active roll stabilization and rear-wheel steering, the Xm defies physics in the corners. Plus, you get about 50 kilometers of pure electric range, meaning you can glide through the city in total silence before unleashing the V8 roar on the open road. It's the best of both worlds: brutal power and zero-emission efficiency. So, who is the 2026 BMW Xm for? It's for the person who wants the performance of a supercar but needs the presence of a flagship SUV. It's for the rebel who doesn't care about traditional styling. It's expensive, it's heavy, and it's flashy, but it's also one of the most capable and technologically advanced vehicles BMW has ever produced. What do you think? Is the Xm the future of the M division, or should BMW go back to its roots? Drop a comment below, and let's get the conversation started.